In problem number 8, we're given a data table, and we're asked to find an approximation for the amount of oil in a tank at the end of a time interval. When you read the first statement, it's very important to notice something. It says the tank contains 50 liters of oil at time t equals 4 hours. They're telling us this for a reason. And we need to remember it. A common mistake is that kids will go through, or students will go through and do this problem, forgetting about the initial condition. Now you notice that R of t is given in liters per hour. And the question that we're asked is to approximate the number of liters of oil. So if we want to think about taking data in terms of liters per hour and finding out the number of liters, we need an accumulation. In other words, we need an integral. They tell us to use a right Riemann sum. So let's get started. On the time interval from 4 to 7, our base will be 3, and our height is going to be determined by the right-hand side of this interval, or in other words, 6.2. In the next interval, from time equals 7 to time equals 12, our base is going to be 5, and the height of our rectangle, if we sketch this graph, would be determined by the value of our function at the right-hand side of our interval, or in other words, 5.9. Because 12 is the right-hand side of the interval with 7. And then finally, from 12 to 15, again, our base will be 3, and our right-hand value will be 5.6. It's a non-calculator section, so we have to do some arithmetic. 3 times 6.2 is 18.6. 5 times 5.9. Let's see, that's 29.5, I think. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 0.9 is 4.5. Yep, 29.5. And finally, 3 times 5.6 is going to be 15 plus 1.8, or 16.8. I got to be careful. We're going to add these together. And carry the 1. Carry the 2. 64.9. And 64.9 is one of our answers. That's not the right answer. Remember what we highlighted in the original statement. We've got to take the initial value, 50 liters, plus 64.9 to get 114.9 liters. This answer was option C. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you for watching.